Hi everyone, I am Ankita. Today I will explain about the insulator. Insulator provides necessary insulation between the conductor and supports. The support can be a wooden pole, steel pole and a iron pole. So the support have some conducting property and even the conductor have. So to do not flow of leakage current from the conductor, we use the insulator. So as we are using insulator in our overhead lines, they have some properties. The first property is that it has the high mechanical strength to withstand a conductor load. Insulators should possess the high mechanical strength to bear the load of conductor. Second is the high electrical resistance of insulator material to avoid the leakage current. There are sometimes we see that a leakage current flows from the conductor, so the insulator should possess this high electrical resistance property to avoid the leakage current from the conductor. And high relative permittivity of insulation material in order to dielectric strength. It has also a property of dielectric strength to withstand the high relative permittivity. So there are four type of insulator we used: pin type, suspension type, strain and sackle. Now what is a pin type insulator? Here is the diagram of pin type insulator. We use the pin type insulator up to the voltage of 33 kilovolt, and it is used in the transmission and distribution line. Beyond 33 kilovolt, it will be too bulky and hence it is uneconomical and we cannot use that. As we know that this pin type insulator can sustain a voltage up to 33 kilovolt. If our voltage is increasing, this will be uneconomical, and the cost of pin type insulator increases rapidly as the working voltage is increased. If the working voltage is getting increased, then the cost will be increased. Hence, we cannot use this pin type insulator. Next comes to the suspension type insulator. Here I have drawn the picture of a suspension type insulator. It is used for high voltages that is greater than 33 kilovolt. Okay, suspension type insulator is used beyond voltage 33 kilovolt. It consists of number of porcelain disc. Always remember that a base material for an insulator is always a porcelain, and it consists of number of porcelain discs connected in series by metal link in the form of a string. So as you can see that these porcelain discs are connected in a series line and they are showing a form of string. So each disc is designed for low voltage, that is 11 kilovolt. So there are the disc is showing in the picture. It consists of a voltage of 11 kilovolt each. So if the working voltage is 66 kilovolt, if we need a voltage of 66 kilovolt, as we know that each disc is carrying 11 kilovolt, if the voltage is 66 kilovolt, and we have to connect each disc in series of if we need a voltage of 66 kilovolt, then we have to connect the disc in series of 6, because 6 discs is in series will be provided in the string to give us the 66 kilovolt. So there are some advantage of suspension type insulator. What are these advantages? These are cheaper than pin type for voltage beyond 33 kilovolt. These are very much cheaper than the pin type, as each disc carry 11 kilovolt. Depending upon the working voltage, desired number of discs can be connected in series. As we know that each disc is carrying 11 kilovolt, and as per our requirement of voltage, we can connect that much of disc in series. If any one disc is damaged, whole string does not become useless, because the damaged disc can be replaced. If any of this series one disc is getting damaged, then we can remove that part and other rest part will be workable. Next is our strain type insulator. When there is a dead end of the line or there is a corner or sharp curve, the line is subjected to greater tension to relieve the line of excessive tension. Then we use the strain type insulator. So when we use the strength type insulator, when the line is subjected to greater tension to relieve the line of excessive tension, then we use the strain insulator. So for high voltage transmission lines, strain type insulator we use that consists of always the assembly of suspension insulator. Remember, the strain type insulator is used in high voltage transmission lines and they consist of an assembly of this suspension type insulators. So next and the last is our Sackel type insulator. Early times Sackel insulators are used as strain type insulator in the early times, but nowadays we are using the Sackel insulators are used for the low voltage distribution lines. Okay, so the Sackel insulators are used for the low voltage distribution lines.